Guys, if you're a teacher right now and you're tired, underpaid, overworked, or stuck in a system that doesn't respect you, don't sleep on this. Australia is literally begging for teachers in 2026. And here's the mind-blowing part. You can move there even if you don't have years of experience. Even if your degree is not from Australia. And in some cases, you can earn over $70,000 to $110,000 per year. And today, I'm breaking it all down for you, step by step. Australia has a serious teacher shortage. We're talking thousands of unfilled roles across public schools, rural areas, even major cities. And guess what? They are now opening doors to international teachers like you. This is not random. This is policy-driven. The government is actively pushing migration to fill these gaps. So if you position yourself correctly, you're not just applying. You're solving a problem. And that's how you win. These are the 5 high-demand teaching roles in Australia right now, and what they pay. 1. Secondary school teachers. Subjects like math, science, English. Salary, $65,000 to $105,000 per year. 2. Primary school teachers. Teaching young kids. Massive shortage across rural areas. Salary, $60,000 to $95,000 per year. 3. Special education teachers. This one is gold. Very high demand. Less competition. Salary, $70,000 to $110,000 per year. Guys, this is a strategic lane. 4. Early childhood educators. Working in childcare centers and preschools. Salary, $55,000 to $85,000 per year. And yes, easier entry pathways here. 5. Vocational education trainers, TVET. Teaching skills like construction, IT, hospitality. Salary, $70,000 to $120,000 per year. The eligibility. Now let's keep it simple. What do you need to qualify? 1. Relevant qualification. You need a teaching qualification. Bachelor of Education or degree plus teaching certificate. But here's the key. It doesn't have to be from Australia. 2. English test. IELTS or equivalent. Usually IELTS 7.0 overall. 3. Skill assessment. This is crucial. You'll be assessed by a teaching authority. We'll cover this in the step-by-step application. 4. Age factor. Best chances. 21 to 45 years old. But older applicants can still apply depending on visa type. 5. Passport plus clean record. Valid passport. No serious criminal issues. And guys, let me be clear. This is not one of those, no qualification at all, pathways. But compared to other professions, this is still one of the most accessible skilled routes. Step-by-step application. This is where people get lost. But I'll simplify it for you. Step 1, do your skill assessment. You'll apply through Australian Institute for Teaching and School Leadership, AITSL. This determines if your qualification matches Australian standards. No assessment equals no visa. Step 2, take your English test. IELTS academic is most common. Target, 7.0 or higher. Step 3, submit expression of interest. Through SkillSelect portal. This is where you tell Australia, I'm ready. Step 4. Apply for the right visa. Top options. Skilled Independent Visa, Subclass 189. Skilled Nominated Visa, Subclass 190. Temporary Skill Shortage Visa, Subclass 482. Step 5, get a job offer, optional but powerful. Use platforms like state government websites. Indeed, Australia. Teach Queensland. The link will be in the description box below this video. Step 6, move and convert to PR. Once you're in, you can transition to permanent residency. And guys, that's where the real game starts. Let me tell you something. People are already moving. People are already applying. The question is, are you moving strategically, or watching from the sidelines? Drop a comment right now. Your country. Your teaching field. Let's see where you guys are coming from. And if you want more breakdowns like this, hit that like button. And subscribe, because I'm bringing more real pathways. No fluff. Just strategy.